Hello, hi Asad, I am Biplabi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I check my all mail, beta team and also rental channel, and check out over there all mail and comments. Then I go to do my regular work. Today I research on Frontier and also work on Process State. Today I got some product, a Frontier, a BA, and another Amazon and a BM is remain. Tomorrow I will check that, and this is my product. Set it here, and I set one rental channel and set it as your comments. I set top the sheet and like this way. And today I also set an Nmax bill. Today I got one 59 residents detail I got and set it here, and also work on Process State. Today we work on UPC tool. We are done already. UPC English and Bangla video, and tomorrow I will do another work. So this is my all works. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.